Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I'm going to do quick tutorial for early childhood teachers who want to play ukulele. That's a baritone. And we have two chords, F and C. And this song is well known. It's called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. So first we play F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a C fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it F again, go again. And it goes on like this. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So changing chord to C. Which finger did it bite? This little finger, F, on my right. Now all together. Ready? F. Then we're gonna change it to C. And then back to F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Thank you for watching.